A kú dédé àsìkò yìí o. A kú ojú ọjọ́. A kú kó lè dà. Yóò kó dà fún gbogbo wa lọ́lọ́ Ọlọ́run. Olúṣọlá Ìṣọ̀lá lorúkọ mi. Ọmọ ológbòdò, bàbá ẹlẹ́lẹ́ntú. Yóò dà fún wa, kò ní yẹ̀ ẹ́ lẹ̀ o. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ètò ohun tó ń ṣe mí. Ohun tó ń ṣe mí lètò. Ètò ni ohun tó ń ṣe mí. Kí ni tí a fẹ́ máa gbé yẹ̀wò lórí ètò tòní? Ètò tòní yóò lágbára pọ̀ nítorí wípé ó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú ohun tí wọ́n ń pè ní, táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní bilateral agreement. Ó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú diplomacy. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ bilateral agreement? Ìyún àdéhùn tí máa ń wà láàrin orílẹ̀-èdè kan sí orílẹ̀-èdè míì. Ìyún ni wọ́n ń pè ní bilateral agreement. Diplomacy ó ní àjọṣepọ̀ tí máa ń wà láàrin orílẹ̀-èdè kan sí orílẹ̀-èdè kejì. Gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà nílé lóko, mo kí yín o. A kú àfaradà nítorí wípé ohun tó bá dé bájú ó ti dé bá mú nìyẹn o. Àrùn tí ń ṣọlọ́yàdé wọ́n ní gbogbo àrùn tí ń ṣe abọ́yadé ẹnu mi àgò wọ́n ní gbogbo ọlọ́yà ní í ṣe o. Ọmọ Nàìjíríà mo kí yín, ẹ kú àfaradà. À ń farada wàhálà nílé wa ní Nàìjíríà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bàbá tún lọ sílé òkèèrè. Ohun tójú ọmọ Nàìjíríà ń rí lókèèrè. Ó kọjá àfẹnusọ. Arábìnrin kan ló pè mí láti orílẹ̀-èdè South Africa. Ilẹ̀ adúláwọ̀ kan náà mọ̀ ní wá o. South Africa. Áfríkà náà ni South Africa. Áfríkà náà ni Nàìjíríà. Arábìnrin yìí pè mí. Ó ní Olúṣọlá Ìṣọ̀lá. Mo ní mẹ́wàá ń ṣe mí, ó kọjá nǹkan tó ń ṣe mí. Mo ní kí ni ń ṣe yín màdámù? Ó ní ìlú South Africa lòun wà o, lòun ti ń gbé pè mí. Ó lọ́mọ Nàìjíríà lòun. Ẹ̀yà Ìgbò sì ni òun. Mo ní kan náà ni wá, àti Ìgbò àti Yorùbá àti Haúsá ìkan náà ni wá. Ṣèbí ọmọ Nàìjíríà kan náà ni gbogbo wa. Bàbá kan náà ló bí wa. Èdè lè yàtọ̀ o, ẹ̀yà lè yàtọ̀ o, ṣùgbọ́n ọmọ bàbá kan ni wá. Nàìjíríà ló bí gbogbo wa. Mo ní kí ni ń ṣe yín màdámù? Ó ní bọ́n ti ń bínú ni o. Ó ní ìlú South Africa tó ń wá, òun ti wà ń bẹ̀. Ilẹ̀ ti ta sí i. Ọlọ́run yọ̀ǹda ọmọ fún òun níbẹ̀ o. Òun bímọ obìnrin. Ọmọbìnrin ọ̀hún ń sì ń ṣe wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́, ń dàgbà wẹ́rẹ́wẹ́rẹ́. Ìlú South Africa ló ń bímọ sí o. Ọmọ òun kò tíì ju ọmọ ọdún mẹ́wàá lọ. Ó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fẹ́ lọ mọ̀ pé ọmọ ọdún mọ́kànlá ni o. Mo ní Ọlọ́run wò ó. Ọlọ́run ó dà sí. Ọlọ́run ó jò ó dàgbà. Ló bá mí kanlẹ̀. Ó ní báwọn ọmọ South Africa bá jẹ́. Mo ní bíi ti bó o. Kí ló dé? Ó ní arákùnrin kan tó jẹ́ ọmọ South Africa. ń gbé ní ẹ̀gbẹ́ ilé àwọn, ó ní neighbor òun ni o. Ó ní ọmọ South Africa yìí, arákùnrin yìí ó ti dàgbà lọ́jọ́ orí, yóò ti fẹ́ lọ mọ̀ pé ọmọ 30 ọdún. Ó lóun kàn ṣàkíyèsí wípé arákùnrin yìí kò níṣẹ́ kan tí ń ṣe, ilé ní mọ́ sábà wà o, kò ríbi gbà lọ. Mo ní kí wá ní arákùnrin náà ṣe. Ó ní bí ọmọ òun obìnrin bó bá ti lọ dálẹ̀ nù níjojúmọ́, gbogbo ìgbà tọ́mọ obìnrin òun bá ti lọ dálẹ̀ nù lárákùnrin yìí máa ń dààmú ọmọ òun o. Yóò mọ̀ fà á, yóò mọ̀ tàn lọ nú ilé, yóò fẹ́ sọ pé kó wọnú ilé òun. Òun wá wò pé kàyéfì ni o. Mo ní abálájọ kò ríṣẹ́ ṣe, ọwọ́ tó bá sì dílẹ̀ lèṣù máa ń yá lò. Ó ní òun bá lọ bá ọmọkùnrin náà láti lọ bí ohun tó rí lọ́bẹ̀ tó fi gàrọ̀ ọwọ́ o. In tó wá yà ní lẹ́nu ni wípé arákùnrin yìí sọ pé lóòótọ́ lòun ṣe torí pé ọmọ South Africa lòun, òun sì lè ṣe ohun tó wù òun fún ọmọ Nàìjíríà àtọ̀hún rìn wá tó já sí pé ẹ̀ǹkùlé ilé ni wọ́n gbà wọ ìlú àwọn o. Olúṣọlá, ọ̀rọ̀ òun ò lè dùn lẹ́nu mi, wọ́n ní ẹnu oníkàn láti ń gbọ́ pọ̀n. Ẹjá gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu arábìnrin náà o, ká mọ̀ tí ń ṣe kankan.
So there is this South African guy, our neighbor here. Anytime Zite goes to throw the bin, or anytime I send Zite to go outside and do anything, Zite will come in and keep complaining that this boy is stopping her, that this boy is always telling her to follow him inside his apartment, stuff like that. So now Zite went to throw the bin and she came back to tell me that the boy started dragging her hand. And I think I'm the same age with this guy. I don't know what she wants from my daughter. Let's go. I just want to confront her, and I want this to be in the camera before is it a move? Answer to Hello? Please, yeah, I'm looking for you. Come see, are you recording?
Yeah. Why?
Why am I recording you? I'm recording for you papers. Why I'm recording you shouldn't be the issue. I want to understand, why are you always calling this girl each time she goes to throw the bin?
No, I didn't go there. I just wanted to know her name and stuff. She's old enough now. She can make a decision for herself.
She's old enough to take decision for herself.
Yes.
You said you wanted to do what?
I wanted to know how old she is.
You want to know how old she is?
Yes.
Why do you want to know her age? Why? Are you related to her in any way?
She's just as a girl. She's my neighbor, something like that.
She's your neighbor?
Yeah.
Why didn't you come to ask me how old she is? Because every time you see her coming to throw the bin, you always call her. Okay, you want to know her age and you're asking her to follow you to your apartment.
Yes, there's nothing wrong. I was just she wants her to show her around my place. That's
You want to show my daughter around your place? God, I beg you. The one in trouble. The one who can't see South Africa. Who not from trouble? You want to show my child around your house? 11-year-old girl. She's not even up to 11. She's going to turn 11 by November. And you said you want to go and show her your house.
so as you.
How old are you?
I'm old enough.
How old are you? I want to know.
I'm older than her, 28 years.
You're 28 years and you want to show 11-year-old child inside your house. Is she your sister? Is she your cousin? I don't understand. Okay, now, why were you dragging her hand when she refused to come?
I didn't drag her and I was holding her.
You were holding her?
Yes.
Zite,
He dragged me.
Oh, now
He
you.
was forcing me to go inside his apartment.
he was forcing you to come inside. Where was he standing when you were coming?
When I was coming, he was standing there and watching me come. When I came closer, I started asking me to come into his apartment. And then
Oh,
he said,
so you
like,
came here to South Africa just to do this? You're a Nigerian, I'm a South African. I have a right to do anything here.
Okay, you're a South African. You have right to do anything,
Yes.
including molesting my child, because this is child abuse. Do you know that?
Can you please go, because you are talking nonsense. Please go. This is my car.
I'm talking nonsense.
Yes, I can do
This
anything.
is your country. Can do
She's
anything.
old enough. You can see she has boobs. She's old. She's matured right now.
Okay, she have books.
Yes.
These books, is it for you? Did we say that the book she got is for you? Hey, when I don't try me. I'm not your usual South Africa. I'm not your usual Nigeria. When I don't try me, oh, don't try me. Don't try it with me. Don't try it. You see, you were asking me why I'm recording. I'm recording you so that I can show the whole world. So that if anything happened to my child, they will know who to hold responsible. Leave us alone. Leave us alone.
Then you are going at least.
I'm going. I'm going to go. We are going to go, but until then, can you leave us? Can you leave us, me and my child, my children alone? You're telling me that she got books, she's old enough.
And she's beautiful, as you can see.
She's beautiful. Is she your daughter?
No.
Are you her father? Are you her brother? What is your business with her beauty? What is your business with her beauty? I want to understand. If you have a child and somebody at your age is doing that to 11 years old child, are you going to be happy?
Why do you talk for her? She must talk to you, talk for herself.
She's not up to, no, she can't talk for herself until she's 18. I'm her mother, I should talk for her. That is the law. Until she's 18, she cannot talk for herself.
Can you please go? Go.
No, you can't just ask me to go. Because if you try that, I'm going to get the cops for you. If you try that, I'm going to phone the police.
Stop recording me.
You can ask him to stop recording. You can still record him. Record him so that I can put it out there. So that if anything happens to my child.
How did you arrive here?
Okay, are you immigration? Are you working with the immigration? What is your business how I got here? What is your business? Are you working with
ẹ̀yin ọmọ
immigration?
Nàìjíríà
You think you're a South African? She's also a South African.
Ṣé ti rí
Even if I'm not a
báwọn?
South African, she is a South African because she was
arákùnrin
born
yìí ń
here.
gbìyànjú àti hùwà láabi
Please
ó
respect
sì tún
yourself.
fọwọ́
Don't
sọ̀yà
ever,
wípé
don't
òun
ever,
ṣe
ever,
kò sì sí
ever.
nǹkan
You
kan
said
tí ó
you're 28, you
ṣẹlẹ̀.
said you're 21. I know you're older than those
Kí
age
wá
you
ló dé
mentioned.
tí mo
At
fi
your age, you don't want to
sọ
respect
nípa
yourself, Abi. You don't want to
bilateral
respect yourself.
agreement?
I am not your usual Nigerian.
Àbí
no.
tí mo
I am
fi
instead
sọ
of
nípa
woman,
diplomacy?
instead of woman, respect yourself. Respect
ṣé
yourself. Anytime you see my child, just
àdéhùn ni
go on your way. Don't ever stop my
àdéhùn
child.
tí
Don't
àwọn
talk of
ìjọba
dragging
South
her. What do you
Africa
want to
ṣe
take
fún wa
anything
nù
to her?
I was holding
wípé
her.
àwọn
Why are you
ọmọ
holding her?
orílẹ̀-èdè wa tí
You
wọ́n ń
said
gbé
you
ní
didn't
ọ̀dọ̀
drag her, you were
àwọn
holding her. Holding her for what?
tí ọmọ
What's
ìlú
the
àwọn
reason? Why
kan
are you
tó
holding
bá
her?
hùwà láabi àbí tó bá hùwà kò
Why are you
tọ́ sí
holding her?
wọn
If your big brother come back, I will come and
wípé
see him.
kò
When
sí
I see
nǹkan
his
kan
car here,
tẹ́nì
I will
kò
come,
ṣe
I will come
fún
and
wọn.
see him to warn you. Stay
ṣàdéhùn
away.
nù
Go and look for
ṣàdéhùn
jobs.
tí
Stop
wọ́n
staying
bá
at
wa
home.
ṣe nù
You're old enough.
wípé kò
Please,
sí
don't touch
ààbò
my
fún
daughter
ọmọ
next time.
Nàìjíríà
You will
ní
not like me.
orílẹ̀-èdè àwọn
Sit and move.
nítorí wípé bó bá já sí wípé àbá ní àdéhùn tó gún mọ́ ipá àwọn ò mọ̀ dáàbò bo àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà tó bá wà ní ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ó dá mi lójú tàdá ọmọ South Africa kankan ò ní jẹ́ sọ́run aṣọ bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Nàìjíríà kọ́lọ́n kó gbà wá. Wọ́n ní bí àlá bá gbọ́n ni tó bá gbé ní sánlẹ̀ kékeré náà mọ̀ gùn rẹ̀ ni ìjẹ́ bí ìlú wa bá dà ìjà àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà yóò mọ̀ lọ sókèrè àti wípé ìlú dà ìlú ò dà gan-an bí ìlú bá dà kò túmọ̀ sí wípé ká mọ̀ lọ sílùú lílò nítorí pé ẹnìkan ò lè dáṣe ilé ayé kò sí orílẹ̀-èdè kan tó lè dáṣe ilé ayé láì ṣe pé àwọn ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè míì náà bá náwó kún wọn. Ìwà bàjẹ́ àwọn ọmọ South Africa gbọmọgbọmọ wọn ti ń pọ̀ jù ti ń gbèlékè ń peléke sí i lójoojúmọ́ ni o kí ìyẹn mú ọmọ kékeré ọmọ tí ò tí ì pọ́mọ ọdún mọ́kànlá kó mọ̀ sọ wípé ó ní àyà ó ní ìgbà àyà tó ṣe kínní tó kó mọ̀ fẹ́ tàn wọlé. Ǹjẹ́ bí ọmọ Nàìjíríà kan lọ́kùnrin tó bá ṣerú ẹ̀ sí ọmọ South Africa ìjẹ́ wọ́n fojú rere wò ó. kí wàá ní ọ̀bọ fi sorí tí náà kí ò ṣe o. kí ló dé tó fi já sí wípé àjọṣepọ̀ South Africa àti Nàìjíríà kò gún régé? kí ló dé? ṣèbọmọ kan náà ni wá, ọmọ ìyá kan náà ni wá, adúláwọ̀ ṣáà ni gbogbo wa. kí ló dé táwọn ọmọ South Africa ń hùwà báyìí o? ẹ̀yin ìjọba wa, ẹ dákun ẹ dábọ̀ ẹ bá wa rí sí kinní yìí. xenophobia lọ́tún, xenophobia lósì, wọ́n tún mùlẹ́sì àwọn ọmọ wa lọ́hùn-ún tá sì ń fọwọ́ sọ̀yà pé kò sí nǹkan kan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀. ǹjẹ́ àwọn ọmọ South Africa tí wọ́n wà ní Nàìjíríà ń bí, ǹjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ làwa ṣe ń tírìtì wọn o? ǹjẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ làwa ṣe ń ṣìwàwù sí wọn? àwọn ìjọba tí wá ń bí wọ́n ń dáàbò bo àwọn ọmọ South Africa tó wà ń bí o. kí wá ló dé táwọn ìjọba South Africa tí hàn mọ́ dáàbò bo àwọn ọmọ tiwa? nítorí wípé wọn tí ìfẹ́ nìkan jófin ni o. ó dá mi lójú tíjọba South Africa bá fi ọmọ wọn kan jófin, wọn ní hùwà láabi sọ́mọ Nàìjíríà kankan. Olúṣọlá Ṣọlá, kọ́lọ́run kó ṣàánú wa, kó bá wa túlù tiwa náà ṣe o. kó dákun dábọ̀ kó jẹ́ Olúwa rójú. kéku ó mọ̀ kébé eku, kẹ́yẹ ó mọ̀ kébé ẹyẹ, kọ́mọ ènìyàn máa fọhùn bọ́ ọmọ ènìyàn. Olúṣọlá Ṣọlá tó, mo wí yìí náà mo mẹ́nu dúró. ó bà mí nínú jẹ́ tó. ó dàbọ̀.